In this video, I'm rocking out Monin's Guava Syrup for you. I've got tequila in the base here, tequila and a bit of coconut. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. I just said this video, another guava-based cocktail. I've got right into guava. I really love this. So Monin's Guava Syrup, the cocktail I've created, it does need a name, please. I haven't got a name for this, so in the comments below, make sure you come up with your name suggestions. This cocktail, this is absolutely lovely. I suppose you could sort of say loosely based on a margarita, I suppose, because we've got tequila in there, we've got lime juice, obviously. We've kind of flipped out the orange liqueur and all the agave nectar for sort of Monin there, but we've got a few other little ingredients. That is absolutely, I love it. I proper love it. So please get your name suggestions below. Right, so let's run you through the ingredients very quickly for this. Obviously, I've got my guava syrup there, Monin's Guava Syrup. I really love this for tropical notes. I've gone, as I mentioned, I've gone for tequila base. I've gone for 2 tequilas here. Cazcabel is just the brand I use. I love them because they've got some fruity sort of stuff going on. I've got their Blanco tequila and I've got their coconut tequila. Yes, there is subtle hints of coconut, of tequila coming through there, but it's kind of like a coconut liqueur. So you could, if you wanted to, swap it out for other coconut liqueurs. But it's 35% ABV, so it's a decent strength. It's just got a little bit more sweetness to it. It's not like, it's not out and out tequila. So it'll be cracking for this. I've got some ODK lime juice because why not? It's cheaper and you're going to struggle to tell the difference. Just purely for me, I've got some black pepper and cardamom bitters. I'm going to do my usual trick with that. And then I've got some Stillabunt foamers there, and we're going to turn it into a nice kind of foamy drink. So without further ado, obviously we're going to shake this up. Ingredient number 1. I'm going to use my lovely jigger there. Nearly running out of this, so we'll get another bottle soon. So 30ml, 1 ounce of just even a Reposado tequila, to be fair, will work, but I just kind of like Blanco tequilas for this kind of drink. So we've got that. We've got our coconut tequila there. Again, we're going for 30ml, 1 ounce of coconut. We are going for some lime juice. If you want to use freshly squeezed, be my guest. But, you know, as I've said many times over, it's a great alternative. You struggle to tell the difference, and it's a damn sight cheaper than fresh limes as well. So I'm going for 30ml again of this. Going very citrus heavy. 30ml, 1 ounce of lime juice. We are going, it's my OCD, yeah, there we go, that's all facing front. I'm going for 22.5ml, so 3/4 of an ounce of guava syrup. And I think, as I think I've mentioned before, but I need to double check this, but I'm sure Drinkstuff sell the Funkin' guava puree, so you could go that way as well, but obviously that you get from Drinkstuff. This, if the time of shooting, not quite there yet, I don't think, but will be very soon on the Drinkstuff website. I'm reliably informed. Obviously that's Drinkstuff, and obviously that's Drinkstuff, so you can get most of this, apart from the booze, from Drinkstuff, hence why I'm using it. So the last thing to do, the last piece of the jigsaw, we're going for this. And if you watched the live stream on my channel a few weeks ago now, we'll have seen this in action. 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all you need for that. 8 drops. And that'll be perfect. Right, all facing forward. There we go. Bit of OCD. Right. It won't change the taste at all. Just thought I'd mention that. It will not change the taste at all. One slightest. It's just going to give you that nice kind of foamy, frothy kind of consistency at the end, which is what we like, don't we? Right, ice, hard fast shake. Right, now, notice they didn't dry shake that. I flipped between the two, to be fair. They do recommend dry shaking, but I've got decent results without dry shaking. I'm going for, just purely for me, it's going to give you lovely kind of black pepper, cardamom aromas going on, but you know, you don't have to use this, purely inspiration. I've got my little spritz cap on. There we go. I'm just going to do my usual trick. 3 spritzes. There we go. Oh, excuse me. God, the aromas went down there. The pepper notes. That's what that was. Right. I've got a ball of ice with a little bit of a base. I'm just gonna, yeah, let's double strain it over a ball of ice. Oh yeah. Look at that. See that lovely kind of foamy, frothy consistency. Oh, lovely. And then to garnish, do you know what? You could have gone fresh guava. We ain't gonna get that in the UK, are we? I've got some pineapple leaves that I was going to use there, but with the ball of ice, that's not really going to work. But there we go. Pop it up on screen right there. Should be even more Monin cocktails and probably a guava cocktail for you to dive into as well. As always, if you like me, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up, please. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.